In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for 4-layered sticky note holder. First, visit the Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section click here or Download Template to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guidelines and notes for the product. Each square area represents each layer of the product. You can customize any shape you want on layer 1 and then create text, messages, or images on this layer. Creating a 3D effect by adding the second layer with a special spot for holding the sticky note. For layers 3 and 4, you can create separated pieces to make your product stand out from the crowd. For the best results, always follow the note written on the file. For example, important design should be in the blue line or the file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mock-up file, click on the image you want to create a mock-up. For example, click on folder 7 and you'll see the group 1 folder. Click on this folder, then on the first layer right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished, click Place and wait for the template to load. Your design may look a bit messy. Adjust them by layering each layer on top of each other and then deleting the excess layer as we do now. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.